to our channel, Creative
Melanated
Minds. So, today we are going to be painting our own porcelain cups and like tea sets, like a tea set. But yeah, so we got it from Hobby Lobby if you want to pick it up. So yeah. So we forgot to get extra paintbrushes, so we had to improvise and get. We had our nail polish things, and they have like little paintbrushes. So yeah, so let's get started. So it comes with like cups, plates, and teacups and stuff. And it comes with special paint. That's what they call it. I don't know why. And it comes with one paintbrush. So make sure you guys get paintbrush. So let's start. I think I'm gonna start with my plate first because it's just like one is going so flat. Okay, so I'm thinking about doing an ombre kind of color, so I'm gonna start with purple.
I'm gonna go with blue. I painted this.
I'm an excellent painter, guys.
I really like it.
It looks really bad. I don't really like it. It's okay.
Alex, that was good. I didn't actually think of that. But I'm going to do that for my next plate.
So cute. So I'm done with my plate. Now I think I'm going to do my first cup. I'm going to maybe kind of do the same pattern but different colors. So I think I might start with a pink color.
Well, all the kind of colors got mixed up because
that actually looks really good. My set is gonna go.
It's not.
Blue. I think I want to do this one next. I'm really obsessed with ombres and like turquoise and stuff, so.
And I'm gonna do my teapot. This brush is dirty, very dirty.
It looks ombre. This has to dry for 24 hours, and then we have to put it in an oven for like 30 minutes.
No, 24 hours again.
You can't put stuff in the oven for 24 hours. That's just like, you're gonna burn your whole house up.
That is?
I'm done with that first. No,
Too much.
I'm not gonna paint the inside. The only thing I painted the inside in is this because it's a plate. I'm almost done.
Almost done with my tea.
Wow.
This set.
Imagine we actually made tea in this teacup. That would be really funny.
No, it would pour the tea. No, it would not.
Okay, the bottom layer is finished, but not the top, so we're gonna finish the top. I'm done, and this is gonna. Oh no! Oh, I thought something broke. I got scared.
That was scary.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do something like this because I painted the bottom on accident. So, anyway, now I have to paint the top for my thing.
So I'm painting. Get yellow. It's so beautiful that Stop laughing, Alex.
Okay.
24 hours later.
Hey guys! So this is the second part of the video where we painted our porcelain tea set. So we just got back from school. That's why Gabby's still wearing her uniform and I'm still wearing the shirt and pants. But yeah, so that's this. Yeah. Okay, so she's gonna go ahead Ow! Hey. Go ahead and put the tea set in the oven. And then we're gonna turn it on. And then we're gonna turn the oven on. So we're gonna turn it to 250, right there. And then we're gonna set it to 30 minutes.
This is our finished product. Wow! Thank you guys for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification. Peace.